NEC Computers. Tell us about that.
NEC Computers is a computer training center. We train people on different computer packages, from beginners level to advanced level. That is to say that if you don't know anything about computer at all, NEC Computers will make you to be a professional. Okay. Our training cut across industries and education curriculum. What I mean is that if you have been trained from, if you are in the industry working, NEC Computers will meet your demand in all sectors of the economy. If you are a student, NEC Computers will train you and you pass all your courses because our courses are linked to all the discipline in the education. So that is what we are. NEC Computers is a subsidiary of NEC Tech Integrated Services Limited.
Say that again. Say that. Subsidiary of?
NEC Computers is a subsidiary of NEC Tech Integrated Services Limited. Okay. That is the umbrella of company that we are under. Okay. So that is what we are.
All right. So tell us about the structure of the training in NEC Computers.
NEC Computer training structures are divided into basically 7 different departments. The first department we have in NEC Computers is the Computer Aided Design Department. In the Computer Aided Design Department, we have AutoCAD, ArchiCAD, Revit Architecture, 3D Max, Inventor, Atlantis, AutoPlan, Structural Analysis and Design using StarPro, Odoo, and Civil 3D.
All right, so I need you to just say that slowly.
AutoCAD, ArchiCAD, Revit Architecture, 3D Max, Atlantis, AutoPlan, Structural Analysis and Design, StarPro, Odoo, and Civil 3D. You can do bending moment and shear force diagram, yeah? You can do structural editing of beams, column, bridges, 2D and 3D drawings, isometric drawing, first, second, and third angle projection, modeling and assembling in this department. Now, the second department we have in NEC Computers is the programming department. Okay. Many people know this place as coding, but we call it programming department because we don't only do the coding that people know for kids. We do advanced and high-level programming language here. The courses available here include Q Basic Programming, Visual Basic Programming, C#, C++, Java, Python, MATLAB, and Simulink, PHP, Mobile Application Development, Software Development, Coding and Robotics, Web Development and Hosting. With this program, with this department, you can learn how to use your computer to solve differential and integral calculus, limit and continuity, first, second, and third order differential equations, Fourier series, Maclaurin series, Laplace transformation, simultaneous equation, both plot, quadratic equation, and polar plot, and other ones. Now, the third department we have in NEC Computers is the oil and gas department. In the oil and gas department, we train people that want to do piping, isometric, and material thickness and B's of quantity, B's of engineering management, and pipe general assembly. The courses available here include PDMS, HISIS, CISA2, Process Piping, Pipe Data Pro, Petroleum Espace, that's of content Grab, Prosper, Resolve, Ember, and other ones. We also have piping, isometric, and PG, pipe general assembly. Now, the fourth department in NEC Computers is the networking department. In the networking department, we train people on network M+, CCNA, CCNP, laptops with desktop repair and maintenance, CCTV installation, Microsoft Certified System Engineers, and CompShare A+. Now, the fifth department is actually for beginners. This is where we train people on desktop publishing and graphic design. At the end of this training, you know how to design your posters, banners, billboards, business cards, book publishing, printing, and magazine and other ones. The courses available here include certificate in computer, desktop publishing, diploma in computer, graphic design, Corel Draw, Photoshop, and Illustrator. Now, the contractor department is the sixth department. This is where captains of industry come to do their training. This is the project management department where we have Primavera P6, Microsoft project, enterprise project structure, Prince 2, electrical design, drafting and installation, building design training, contribution and estimation, inverter design training. Now we also have the last and not the least department, which is the accounting department. In the accounting department, we train people on Oracle database, MySQL, SQL server training, P3 accounting, Sage 50, QuickBook, SPSS, and eView. These are the structure of our training in NEC Computers. And anybody that will register in any of these departments today or on Monday, they have their training manual free of charge.
Wow.
Yeah.
All right. That's quite an elaborate one yes. With loads of departments.
Yes.
But, you know, we've heard a lot of people come by and tell us about their, you know, organizations and their institutions, their training institutions. What makes NEC Computers unique?
The first time people come to computer, they will ask you, is it practical? Somebody came to our office and said, I don't want to hear that computer is a machine. He wants to do it practically. But people fail to understand that things become practical until they benefit you. That is why the universities of today is not practical, it's theoretical. Because even when you go and do practical chemistry will not benefit you. Even though you go and do practical physics, you cannot use the practical physics you learn from the school to get money. NEC computer training is practical in the sense that after the training, you can use to make things for yourself. For instance, if you are a student and you come to NEC computer to do training, our training, when I was doing the introduction, I said you can solve first order, second order, and third order differential equations, Fourier series and Maclaurin series. These are what they do in the university. In net computers, we teach you how to do it theoretically, how to analyze it with bar and paper, then how to write a computer program that will interpret it and use mathematical model to solve it. That is not done in anywhere except from net computers. Now, we have what we call game programming. This game programming is a course that has been designed for kids, for people, for young age between 10 to 25 years. This course, game programming, is for new generation builders and inventors. It's a personalized coding class for teenagers from 10 to 12 years. We teach them how to build games, apps, and other fun programs. This project strengthens their creativity, improve their logical thinking skill, and enhance their problem-solving abilities. It is a project-based learning, so by the time your child undergo this training, the reason why children misbehave or they play always because they don't have something to do. When you introduce them at this early age into coding and robotics, when you teach them how to program, everything that is with them, they need to program it. If they can write A, B, C, D in school, they want to know how to use computer to do it. If they can add 3 numbers to get the sum and the average, they will know how to use the computer to do it. So we introduce them to this one. This one will make them to be critical in their thinking. They will be logical and analytical. So such a student cannot involve into what you don't want to involve. Because at every point in time, it's always on his computer doing the right thing. This course will do it. Now, imagine somebody who graduates from school and is a civil engineer. This person doesn't know AutoCAD. He doesn't know structural analysis and design. Using StarPro and Odon. He's not a civil engineer. If you are an applicant, the best place to come is to net computers. If you're studying mechanical, you don't know PDMS, you don't know 3D Max, you are not doing yourself any good. If you study electrical engineering, you don't know MATLAB and Simulink, you learn architecture, you don't know AutoCAD, you don't know ArchiCAD, you don't know regular architecture. That is why people keep running from companies to companies. They are looking for job, but they fail to get the job because they are not useful for the companies. The companies are doing business, and when you are not contributing to their business, they cannot employ you, even if you pray. So you have to equip yourself. A graduate looking for a job without doing all these things. I ask somebody, if you are a graduate and you have not gotten a job for the past 3 years you graduated from school, what is the criteria? What is the guarantee that you're going to get a job in the next 3 years? It will still be like that. And that's why people start running from prayer house because they think that somebody's after them. Nobody's after you. You don't have what the company requires. If you have what the company requires, they will employ you immediately. A pastor defines an applicant as somebody who has suspended his mind from the time he was due for employment till date. And I agree with the pastor because if your mind is actually working, you can find something to do. Even the Bible advises to start with the little one you can. But people are suspending their mind. If you are in that level, net computer is the best way to define yourself. Now, if you are a project manager, if you go all around the street, abandon projects all over the place. People abandon projects. The reason they abandon the project is not because of money. It's because of lack of planning.
Okay.
They say if you are failed to plan, you are planned to fail. Many people did not plan. Even in their households, some people did not plan. That is a major problem with people. So in net computers, we train project managers, we train project owners, we train company owners, we train politicians that want to empower people. Empowerment is not just giving money. If you give somebody an education, you have trained a whole generation. So if you come to net computers, we are going to teach you a project management that will make you to manage your project. In our project management course, we teach you how to do a work program, project plan, financial plan, procurement plan, risk management plan, strategic plan, and resource plan, and other ones. We teach you so that you can know what is ahead in your project. You can look at the process of your project. So all these are minimum of what makes the computer project to be unique. And our course is the lowest in Port Harcourt. Despite this level of training, our course are lowest. And somebody asked me, why is it that your course is lowest despite the level of training? We are comprised of like mind. People like me, we are about 10 to 15 of us that comes together and we are doing it from different professional disciplines. We make sure we train these people not actually for financial gain, but to empower the people. More load are on the government. That is why they are failing us. People think government are failing because more load on them. If you are able to empower yourself, what you need is just more things to start up.
All right, then.
Yeah, that is what we do in net computers. Many more are there. People who have trained from net computer, they are working in different organizations. Some of them form their organization and they employ laborers. People who are looking for people to employ them, they are now employing people because of the level of training they have in net computers. That is the type of thing we are doing in Port Harcourt.
All right. So how do we get in touch with net computers?
You can get in touch with net computers by coming to our ultramodern training center, located at number 14 Rumola Road, Honeymoon Plaza, here in Port Harcourt. Number 14 Rumola Road, Honeymoon Plaza, here in the city of Port Harcourt. Or you can visit our website on www.ntisl.com. www.ntisl.com, or you call our telephone number on 080 325 77932. 080 325-77932. Or you call our second number on 070-1833-5128. 070-1833-5128. Our WhatsApp number is 080-325-77932. 080-325-77932. And if you have a loved one that need empowerment, send them for training.
All right.
Send them for training. People are on strike. As we are on strike now, people are wasting at home. Come to NEC Computers and do your training. After the training, you will give us thanksgiving. We will do thanksgiving for our sake. Call our number 080-325-77932. 080-325-77932. The second number is 070-1833-5128. Give this phone number to your friend to give you to another person.
All right.
That is the best thing you can do to them. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. All right. So you've heard them. You've heard him. NEC Computers. So call them and do business. And as he said, you will do Thanksgiving for their sake. All righty. Still Super 93.3 FM Port Harcourt. My name is Obi Ivy, and it's still Saturday cruise of the show today. Okay. I'll go on a quick music break, and after that music break at 10:30, you will have the Andrew Wormack lessons. And don't go anywhere. You'll be glad you did. You'll be glad you did.